Good morning students, I am Vetrichelvi from Vetri And Vetri, Neet Chemistry. Today I am going to upload the video for Cbse board preparation. Some students has requested, so based on the requisition I have started to upload the video for Cbse board. Since it is the Cbse board, my teaching will be in the English version only. Okay, let us see the question now. Now this is the lesson belonging to Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, the first organic chemistry lesson. Let us see the question. How can the following conversions can be carried out? So whenever the question is like conversion is coming out, first you have to study about them reactants and products. Now the reactant is methyl magnesium bromide. Let me write the structure of methyl magnesium bromide. This is the Grignard reagent 2. Then it is given as a 2, it gives the product of 2-methyl propane 2 all. So write the propane, this is the 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3. Propane 2 all, for on the carbon atom I am putting OH and then on the second carbon atom I am putting CH3. So followed the naming we have identified, it is the tertiary butyl alcohol. So first our knowledge is we have to focus on conversion of Grignard into tertiary butyl alcohol. So from the Grignard, if you are using formaldehyde, we will get primary alcohol. That is the bond functional group bond CH2OH. Okay, if you are using acetaldehyde, that is called as a ethanol. In Cbse board, you have to focus on what is called IUPAC name. If you are starting with the ethanol, it will be ended with the secondary alcohol, that is the functional group like this. Since here it is, what is it called? Ended with a tertiary alcohol. So what is the knowledge is, we have to do them Grignard with the, what is it called as a propanone. This compound is called acetone. So in IUPAC it is called as a propanone. So we have to now write the equation. Convert the methyl magnesium bromide to the tertiary butyl alcohol, that is called 2-methyl-2-propanol starting from the acetone. So such a way I am selecting the reagent. Now I am going to write the equation. So shall I write the equation now? Okay children, first let me write them. Here what I said is propanone. This is the propanone. Let me write the first one is propanone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus methyl magnesium bromide. Whenever you are writing Grignard, you write follow this step, then easy for you to follow the reaction. The first step, polarize minus and plus. In this case, the CH3 is the strong nucleophile and it will come and attack the positive. This is the positive charge. Positive carbonyl carbon. Follow the reaction and this is here CH3. Here CH3 is attacking on here. What about the remaining part is, this is the highly electropositive magnesium. So this one attack on the oxygen atom. So now I am putting here this is. So this is the intermediate. Followed this by acid hydrolysis. Whenever you write acid hydrolysis, you put H plus in water. This is called hydronium ion, that is acid hydrolysis. During acid hydrolysis, what will happen is, in this place breaking take place, there is addition of water and you are getting now the product. Let me write the product CH3, CH3. Whenever you are writing in organic chemistry, whatever pattern you have started, the same thing you follow it. Easy for the correction and for you also. So now this is the product. What is the name of the product is, from here I can write what is it called, 2-methyl. This is only they are asking propane. This is here, you should not write the hyphen. 2-methyl propane 2 all. So this is the product what I want. Plus don't forget your byproduct. The byproduct also you should write. So now this is the way you have to convert them. Whenever any reactions are there, you give complete condition as well as the name of the everything. What is it called as a reactant, product, condition, any mechanism, everything should be written. Whenever naming, you follow the IUPAC name itself enough. Now let us go to the second question. What is given is benzyl chloride to benzyl alcohol. Now let me here, this is very simple. Straight away I am writing here. What is benzyl chloride? You can write this is with the CH2Cl. This is benzyl chloride to benzyl alcohol. Okay, now here it is CH2OH. What is the difference is here Cl is converted into OH. So when it will be the halide, what is the condition is the general information is RF, that is alkyl halide or aromatic halide, any one, that is any one during hydrolysis with alkali, that is aqueous alkali. Hydrolysis, it gives you a corresponding alcohol. This is the knowledge. Now this is alkyl halide. So we have to do the reaction with aqueous alkali. Here aqueous alkali is NaOH. So we are benzyl chloride. Name of the compound is benzyl chloride. So here they have written the common name, same name I am following, benzyl chloride to benzyl alcohol. This is simple reaction only. Simply only we can call it as a reaction with the aqueous alkali. So okay, now we are moving to the next question. 2 bromopropane to 1 bromopropane. Now for this we have to go for the planning. 2 bromopropane into 1 bromopropane. Okay, let me see the structure of what is it called it as a, yes, here question is 2 bromopropane to 1 bromopropane. To identify the reactant, I am going to do the rougher 2 bromopropane. Now I am telling this is rougher. This is 2 bromo and here it should be converted into a 1 bromopropane. So this is what we have to do. So what is the basic knowledge is first this one should be removed with the, what is it called, sir? Aqueous potassium hydroxide, and you are getting this one. What is it called, sir? Propylene. This is followed with them HBr in presence of peroxide. We will getting this one. So this is the plan. Let us write the equation by following the plan. Okay. Before starting the reaction, you have to verify with your plan. Now I am starting the 2 bromopropane. Let me write the perfect equation. So 2 bromo, this is the second carbon, write Br and write the name of the compound. What is it called as a 2 bromopropane. Okay, then we are going for your alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Here it is aqueous. Aqueous means halide to alcohol. Now alcoholic means it follows the dehydrohalogenation. These are the basic knowledge we should have. We want dehydrohalogenation. What will be happening in the dehydrohalogenation? The halogen of the Br is getting removed with the hydrogen. This is okay. Now write the thing. What we are getting is CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. Write the name of the compound is propene. So this is called it as a dehydrohalogenation. Reagent is alcoholic potassium hydroxide. You should thorough with the reagent and type of the reaction. Next, what we want is, we want to reach the 1 bromopropane. You can see children, 1 bromopropane. That means here you have to follow it should follows the, what is it called, sir? What is called anti-Marconic policy. So anti-Marconic principle means we have to go for peroxide effect. So now I am going to do with the HBr in presence of peroxide. So it gives the, what is it called, this place. In this place I am going to add the Br and H. That is called negative part of the addentum attached with the more number of carbon. That is called as a anti-Marconic rule. That is understood. So now write the product. Okay, CH3, CH, CH2Br. Here I am writing H. So this is. Now you write the name of compound is, name of this compound is 1 bromopropane. So this is the way you have to convert the 2 bromopropane to 1 bromopropane. Simply, it is position 2, it is position 1. So what is the way you have to do it? First step is dehydrohalogenation. Second step is Marconic rule. Both, that is called anti-Marconic rule. Second step is anti-Marconic rule, or simply we can say as a peroxide effect. Both reactions are very, very important. Next, let us see the last question is benzene to para-chloronitrobenzene. Let us see benzene to find out the way. Now I am writing what is this is for benzene, of course you know. So they ask you to convert them parachloro. This is the parachloronitrobenzene. Let us write this is the chlorine and this is the NO2. We have to do it. Here what is the idea is you have to have two things are there. One is halogenation, another one is called nitration. Among this, who is para derivatives? This is the para derivative and this is the meta derivative. So because of this, we have to follow first one is halogenation. This is very important. Order of priority. You should not go nitration. So we have to go first halogenation. So that is the nitration. Let us write the tips now here. First halogenation, then you are going to the nitration. Let us write now benzene. Go for the halogenation. Chlorine in presence of ferric chloride, it gives the simply this is electrophilic substitution reaction. We can call it as a chlorobenzene. Okay. Next, it follows the nitration. Nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. This is nitration NO2 plus. It is the electrophile. This NO2 is the ortho as this is here. It is the this one, or I can say this chlorine is the ortho and para directing. So the NO2 is occupy the para position. So now the final product is Cl. Sorry, here it is the bond Cl. I am writing bond Cl. And here this is the para to this where you are getting NO2 and now the product is parachloronitrobenzene. Parachloronitrobenzene. So such a way you have to select. Both should be required. Who is the order of priority is halogen, because if you are taking vice versa mean it will be directing incoming chlorine in meta position. This is meta director. So we should not do the nitration first. Don't do the nitration in the first step. So this is the main tips. All the four equations are important, children. Prepare well for the board. All the best. Thank you.